Okay, good morning. Welcome to
FunMath number 141.
FunMath number 141. This is a problem sort of based on the 1994 American Junior High Mathematics exam. 4 kids take turn playing chess. Only 2 kids play at a time. They start playing at 1 o'clock and finish playing at 2 o'clock. If some pair of kids was always playing and each kid played for the same amount of time, how long did each kid play? Okay, do you understand the problem?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so let's bring in our chessboard and our 4 kids. Okay, here's our chessboard. I'm going to draw it completely. But we have 4 kids playing chess, and they play for an hour total. They start playing at 1 o'clock and they finish playing at 2 o'clock. There's always somebody playing. There's always 2 kids playing, and each kid ends up playing for the same amount of time. So we're trying to figure out how long does each kid play for. Do you have any ideas?
Well, I can see a trap answer.
Okay. Go ahead, talk.
The trap answer is 15 minutes, because if they each play for 15 minutes, 2 guys are playing at the same time.
Yeah.
So, if they each play for 15 minutes, it'll sum up to only half an hour.
What do you mean? Show me. Show me an example.
I mean, if these 2 people play for 15 minutes.
Okay.
And then they swap out.
And then they swap out. And then those 2 play for 15 minutes. What time will it be now?
It'll be 1:30.
It'll be 1:30. So it seems like, hey, one way to look at this problem is to say, hey, there were 4 kids. Each of them played for the same amount of time, and they played for an hour total. So maybe we should just take 60 divided by 4, which is what?
It's 15.
15. But when we go back and check that, we could say, okay, well, these 2 played for 15 minutes, and now these 2 played for 15 minutes. Oh, but shoot, now it's only 1:30. Okay, so what went wrong there?
Well, 2 guys are playing at the same time, and if they had clocks, the clocks are both running.
Okay, so what does that mean? If we're keeping track of how long each kid plays for, and then we sum up all of those times, what are we going to get?
We're going to get 30. We have to get 2 hours.
Why do we have to get 2 hours?
Because if you sum up the 15 minutes, it gets to 1 hour.
Well, right. If you sum up,
you need to get double it.
Why do you need to get double? That's the whole trick on this problem. Why do you need to get 2 hours of playing time rather than just 1 hour?
Both the clocks are running.
Both the clocks are running. Whenever anyone's sitting in this chair, this clock's running. Whenever anyone's sitting in this chair, this clock's running. And both clocks run for how long?
For an hour.
For an hour. So the total times are going to add up to 2 hours. So how long is each kid going to play for?
It's going to play for 30 minutes apiece.
30 minutes apiece. Now show me a way that the 4 kids could play chess each for half an hour and have it add up to 1 hour, the total amount of time they played. Show me a way to do it. Let's start with these 2 kids playing at time 0.
These 2 people play for half an hour.
Okay, they play for half an hour.
Then they swap out so that these people are in.
Okay.
And then these people play for half an hour.
Okay.
So that's an hour.
That's an hour. There you go. Okay, good job. Which one of these 4 guys do you think is the best chess player?
This guy.
Why is that?
He's got, I don't know, I just think he's the best.
Okay, all right. High 5, low 5. All right, good job.